Okay, welcome. Happy Friday, everyone. We're going to take a look at Tesla today. We're going to look at something I posted previously, and then we're going to take a look at Tesla to just highlight something about price action and big name stocks in general. Okay, and the same price action applies. This is how I'm going to show you, even those big name stocks. You follow a certain strategy, and listen to what the signals are telling you or showing you, and you take action only when they trigger. So let's take a look at this. Okay, Tesla today was up $36.96. Volume was up 6.2 million versus a 30-day average of 23.69. See, today's volume was 29 million. So I finished the day very strong, but I want to show you something that I posted on the Powerful Gains Facebook page. So here it is, Powerful Gains. I came down here and I posted on 26, Tesla on watch. After moving up $100, that move was textbook and one of the strategies I teach, which is true. Generally speaking, if it opens positive after the doji candle, it will likely continue higher. Or it may chop. Let's see how this plays out. That's right, gotta put it on watch and you take action when it triggers. So this was the $100 move day that I caught quite a bit of, and here's the next day. It's pretty some would call this a different candle. I say it's pretty much a doji. So doji, this is a key area. Tesla 1094 closed lower, but still right in this upper range here. Okay, so then we fast forward to the next day. What did it do? Gapped up, went higher all the way up to here is 1072.3. So it tested this higher area here, lower than the prior day, but still tested a pretty high area, and then closed lower. But notice how it closed above these guys, these two candles, and made another doji. Indecision. Next day, gapped up higher and had a very strong move here, and closed at the range, top of the range of 1077. Look, right in this key area. That's a key area. Tested once, came close, couldn't, tested again, and then look what happened the next day. Powers through that key area and close at the high right here. This is kind of textbook follow through, and it's on Tesla. Tesla is big name, just like Amazon. They follow, just like Amazon. They follow price action and signals, and when when the signal goes off, you get in. Look at this volume here, large volume, but then lots of red volume. Similar here, a lot of indecision, but then these guys look green, green. A lot of things pointing into the upward direction, and you can even look at these averages. So that's all I want to show you guys is that, look, even these big names like Tesla, they follow very, very simple price action. They may chop quite a bit, like this guy. Look, chop, 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 chop. All this area is when you don't want to get involved. You want to start getting involved when you start seeing follow through here. So these are some of the principles that I teach and some of the things that I go over with my students. There's a lot more, but as you can see, this is how we look at things. We keep it simple. Keep it simple. Let the price action tell you when to get in, and read the charts. Look at the charts. What are they telling you? So that's all I got for today. Just wanted to go over this with you to show you that we at Powerful Gains know what we're talking about, and just give an example of how we keep things simple. Keep it simple and get in. And for those of you who aren't aware, this is a scanner here. This is the Powerful Gains scanner. This one's on the S&P 500. Look, Google up 43, 42, Tesla. These are all the winning stocks across the S&P, and these are all the winning stocks across the other markets. Adobe up $11, NET $10. So this is one of the secret weapons that my students are able to use as well. You know, imagine you had all of these winners showing up, and all you had to do was take action. So, just wanted to say that message. If you want to learn more about our approach, click on the link below, or reach out to me. Thanks.